Hello, I am Tyson Vu, a second-year biotechnology major. Of our Newest Emeriti, I most enjoyed the lecture of Dr. Risbud on a career spent working with stuff. Naturally and humorously, he discussed the importance of materials and products in our lives, highlighting, for example, the use of silicon in semiconductors or lithium disilicate glass ceramics in dental crowns. An example of the distinctive density of an aerogel and nano and biotechnology derivatives segued into the goal of nanotechnology, achieving atomic precision via a bottom-up approach to manufacturing. He then advanced the conversation to top-notch techniques such as liquid cell transmission electron microscopy (TEM) and a rapid overview of nanomaterials like quantum dots in 7-foot TV screens before discussing some personal anecdotes. After recalling the various careers of his graduate students, including at least one ballerina, he humbly transitioned to his participation in classical Indian music and his current leading role in first-year seminars such as Navigating Global Conflicts and Their Effects on Human Relationships, in which he continues to learn outside of his field of material sciences post-retirement. Overall, thank you Drs. Risbud, Gepps, Pesa, Hernandez Avila, Shapira, Cherry, Britt, Shindima, and Sciola.